Yan. Tasting tayo. Kasi ano na ito, medyo soft na. Tamis talaga. Very sweet. So here guys, dito ako mag-harvest ng mga kiwi. So meron akong styrofoam bucket. So ito, marami itong bunga dito. Wala ng dahon dito sa ibabaw. So ayan. Bakit na aking gagamitin kasi ano lang, kunti lang ang harvestin ko ngayon. So isang styrofoam box lang. So meron namang a picker bag pero ito lang muna. Ayan o, ang dami. Dito. Oh yeah, I'm chasing it.
Hopefully they don't take it.
Lagas now you're dropping the leaves, the brown leaves.
I'm looking for a ripe one on the ground, see what they taste like.
Probably not nice.
Have you got some on the ground there, or have you
It's still hard.
the rats? Wreck them all. There's not many on the ground.
No, there's no birds.
Oh, that's the dogs. How good they
Hey, look
are.
at that. There's a lot in there. Just the other side. Oh, I'm gonna pick that one because it's too close to the ground.
Yeah, good
And the
old darling.
rats.
Yep, no, you're good.
Pick this in first.
That's first.
Oh, look at Timmy just running backwards and forward.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a lot there. Just very. It's touched to the ground talaga.
Yeah.
It's nearly ripe in this. You put in a styrofoam box for 1 week, it's going to ripe.
We'll just take them on Sunday rows and
Yeah,
advertise them as to ripen.
yeah.
Yeah, they'll be good, honey. Yeah, you're right. There's plenty here at this end.
Yeah, it is plenty.
Yeah.
The bird didn't touch it.
No.
Well, this morning, earlier, Timmy chasing a crimson rosella parrot here inside.
Oh, inside the...
Yeah, I saw the parrot.
Oh, yeah. Well, they'll... If he's not doing it, those, they'll get them. Good.
No, Timmy. Move. Move. Just move. Go away. So dito unahin ko dito muna yung mga prutas na very low talaga na almost touching the ground talaga. Kasi pag mayroong mga daga, kakainin yan. So ayan. Mayroon talagang soft guys. Ito. Nag-taste talaga si Mister. Umuwi na siya sa bahay. Ayan. Tasting tayo. Kasi ano na ito, medyo soft na. Tamis talaga. Very sweet. Ang aming kiwi dito is dalawang variety. Ito is a Dexter. Yung Dexter is yung ano, yung oval yung shape niya. At saka yung isa is Bruno. It's a round one. Malaki siya. Laki ang shape niya. Round one. Mas na ano ko. Gustuhan ko yung flavor yung Bruno. Kasi may halong sweet and sour. So yung nag-aagawan yung sweetness at saka yung sourness niya talaga. Ito, yung Dexter is matamis talaga ito. Yun ang ano niya. Ang lasa niya. Tamis. So, very rich in vitamin C talaga itong kiwi at saka very high in fiber. So, yun ang makukuha mo. Yung benefits ng kiwi. Yung maliit pa yung mga bata ko, pinapakain ko yun ng mga prutas, yung kiwi. Kasi yung kiwi is a winter season nga. At saka yung winter dito is uso din yung mga sipon at saka ubo yung maliit pa yung mga bata. So yun, it's very rich in vitamin C. Ano ba talaga, Timmy? Doon ka sa labas. Oh my God. Timmy, you knock over my, yung my camera. Ito yung tagabantay ng ibon. Ito yung aso namin, tagabantay ng ibon. So walang ibon makapasok dito kasi mayroon ding aso dito magrubing. At saka ito yung isa. Ito yung isa, hindi ito marunong hindi ito marunong catch ng bird. Ito yung isa is oh, tingnan mo yan. Very quick talaga itong isa. Ayan. So marami pang bunga yan na sa vine. Yan, ito yung dito dito guys, naglagas na yung mga dahon at saka kasi open talaga dito, open sa sun. At doon naman sa the other end is hindi pa talaga. It's a bit shady doon kasi mayroong malaking puno. Ayan. Ayan, puno na natin ang styrofoam. Hindi na siguro ito mag-close yung lid. Hindi natin ibuhos lahat. Baka hindi ito mag-close. Ayan. So, ayun guys. Thank you for watching. Ito lang muna ang ating vlog. Harvesting kiwi. Very bright talaga ang araw. Ayan. Mas okay dito. Okay, bye!